We've got our patio area, and we're trying to make it a little nicer so we can hang out back here with the animals. But like most places in the United States, we're having problems with mosquitoes, problems with bugs. So I've tried the little candles, the citronella candles. I've tried tiki torches. I've got the new type of tiki torches there that have the really big flame. Doing the tiki bug fighter stuff in them. It's not doing the trick. It's not doing it. The Tiki Island King promises 5 times larger flame, and it does this through a bigger wick, and the holes at the top are supposed to burn the flame. Well, these zappers, they're getting a few, and they're fairly decent. They're okay. Got 2 zappers. This is the way to go. It's a big shop fan. It's made by County Line. You can also get these on Harbor Freight, and any old window screen works just fine, and really any old fluorescent light. Ultimate bug zapper. A fan, a screen, and a bug light. The reason this works is mosquitoes are terrible flyers. They're attracted to the light, so any light source will work just fine. They're not very strong in wind. So when they're attracted to the light, they come next to the fan sucks them in, and then over a period of time, the fan dehydrates them and they die. Now most of the moths, it seems like, don't actually die. The moths, when I turn the fan off, a lot of the moths will fly away, but not the mosquitoes, not the biting bugs. So I hate to kill moths anyway, because moths do eat the other pest insects, the ones that bite us. So I want to save the moths all I can. But this thing does pretty good for getting mosquitoes. It also has a double effect of a little bit of a breeze, a little wind blowing on you. It seems to slow down the effect of bugs biting you. They don't want to fly in a strong wind. And the fan seems to help with that and keep you cool in the evenings, those hot summer evenings. So I hope this helps, guys.